8N.
Ford 8N.
Yeah.
And which year this one?
I think 47.
Yeah. So this is Ford tractor है.
Yep.
देख लो भैया, ये कनाडा के अंदर फोर्ड ट्रैक्टर है जो कि सफ़ेद कलर का है और बीच में ऑरेंज का भी कलर के भी नीचे बॉडी दी गई है. तो आपको मालिक से मिलाते हैं. So how long you using this one, Mark?
Oh, a long time.
Huh? No, how many years?
Me about 8 years.
Huh?
8 years.
8 years? You bought this one?
Yep.
Used?
Yeah.
How much that one?
I paid $1,000.
Only $1,000? Yeah. But tractors are expensive here.
Yeah.
Like a new one, 100,000, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's nice. How many horsepower?
I think 27 or something.
Oh, okay. Wow.
You like the tractor, right?
Yeah, they doesn't have battery for starting, eh?
Yeah.
Have battery?
Yeah.
It can start in the right way?
Right now?
Yeah.
You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Well,
You
it's been
see-
a while.
Because I have to put the doesn't have oil. Check it. Let's show the oil tank too. Oh no, where is the oil tank? This one. Okay.
It's gas.
Yes.
It's been a while. It's been sitting here all summer.
Yeah. But in the
It's been sitting all summer.
but silencer is here.
It hadn't started all summer. Not today.
Not today. Okay.
I have to fool around with it a little bit. It starts though,
Yeah.
but right now it's been sitting in the rain.
So maybe need to push this one.
No.
No.
You see my trails?
Yeah. Nice.
It goes all through the bush, 10 acres.
ओके. चलो भाई अगली बार आपको स्टार्ट करके भी दिखाएंगे. अभी इसको ऐसे ही दर्शन कर लो इसके. ये फोर्ड का आगे साइन लगा हुआ लोगो. तो ये